Angela from Mountainview Building Group. Let me show you how I customize my Mountainview crib. Come on, I'll show you. We built the Ravenswood and we love our plan. Let me show you what we did with our kitchen. So we knew we wanted to maximize storage in our house. We did lowers all along the back to the end of the kitchen. This way we can hide all of our stuff. We added beautiful countertop and 2 floating shelves. Pixie loves it too. It has a special spot for her food at the end. Thanks for coming to see us today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you are interested in taking advantage of customization with Mountainview, register online today at mountainview.com.
I'm Monica Nadolski with Mountainview Building Group. Come on in, let me show you how I customize my Mountainview crib. The heart of my home is my kitchen. I love to entertain and host, and these are a few of my favorite upgrades that I did. This lovely little spice drawer that makes cooking so much easier. This handy dandy pot filler, love it. And instead of doing a smaller island with a table, I opted to do an enlarged island that also doubles as dining. And below, I added some storage. Can never have enough. Thank you for stopping by my crib. If you'd like to customize your own Mountainview home, please register at mountainview.com.
Hey there, I'm Donna Vendetti from Mountainview Building Group. Come with me while I show you how I customize my Mountainview home. So we totally customized this kitchen. The wall originally would have been here where I'm standing. We pushed it out to here, opened up this entrance so I could have extra cupboard space, a servery, an extra pantry, and this beautiful sitting room where I escape from the loud TV in the other family room. Everyone knows that the kitchen is the heart of an Italian family. We love to cook, we love to entertain, we love to have friends over. I love where I place my table, that we can fit 10 to 12 people here. I have tons of extra pantry space and all my good dishes that I have on display, which I love. I feel like this is really the heart of my family home. Thank you for visiting my Mountainview crib. If you'd like to customize your own Mountainview home, visit us at mountainview.com. See you soon.